Okay, I kind of chose another little project for our last one for the kind of an advanced carver. But this is just a little Bowie knife that we're going to do, and I just took it out off the computer, and I just drew a little pattern on it. And when we get through with the Bowie knife, we're going to stick it on a log, or just sort of like we did the axe, in other words. But this, I thought this would be a cute little project for a scout to do. And it's not going to be a real difficult one, but it will be three-dimensional, as we have talked about. And basically, all we're going to have to use is just there's the picture. It's just a knife. So we've got the project cut out, and what we're going to do is, of course, first of all, you begin separating the knife handle, the blade, from the little guard here that they have on the knife. And you're simply going to do that by taking your knife and digging in just like we did the other one and removing that wood. See? Now we're going to go to the other side and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to work from side to side on this thing, of course, because that is, by the way, this is cut out of 1 inch stock, okay? Excuse me, 3/4 inch stock. It's actually 1x, but you know that 1x is 3/4. And we're just going to kind of bring that handle down just a little bit, and then we're going to stop because we're going to bring our blade down. Okay. See, I go from side to side. Taking a little bit off at a time. One side. Then the other. There we go. Now we're going to stop there, and then we're going to start working on the blade a little bit. Okay? So we simply cut here. And we'll start removing the wood from the blade for just a little bit. Turn on the other side. Start removing parts of the wood, okay? Now, you know that a knife goes at an angle, okay? We know that. We know that it has a bevel. So we all understand that when it comes to the blade. Take a little bit off at a time. You don't have to take a lot off. I've always learned that. Just take a little bit. My shavings are not that big. Kind of look at your piece. as you go along. So I'm going to kind of use the push cut here. And on this side, see that? As you can see, as I'm carving the wood here, I carve the wood this way, and when I come here, I carve the wood this way, and that's because the grain in the middle here changes directions. Okay? So from this point, let me show you. If I try to carve this way, it's not going to work too good. It can do it, but it's better just to go ahead and take and do the paring cut this way. Much, much easier.